that addictive taste. Japanese pork rice bowl, Butadon. $90 of short grain rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120g of water to the rinsed rice. Add half tablespoon sake for tastier rice. Mix well, then cook the rice. Green onion or your favorite herbs as much as you like. Finely chop. Half clove of garlic. Grate it. One tablespoon of sake. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 3/4 teaspoon of sugar. A dash of ajinomoto. Grated garlic. Mix well. $100g of pork, thinly sliced loin is recommended. Coat the pork well with the sauce. Let it sit in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Medium heat. Half teaspoon of cooking oil. Heat the fry pan well. Add the marinated pork. Flip and cook both sides thoroughly. Reduce the remaining sauce. Medium heat. Reduce until the moisture is mostly gone. Toast nori seaweed over the stove flame if you like. The nori becomes fragrant. 200g of cooked rice. Peel nori seaweed and scatter over the rice. Place the cooked pork on top of the rice. 1 egg, safe for raw consumption. Separate the egg yolk. If not for raw consumption, make it a poached or soft-boiled egg. Place the egg yolk on top of the pork. Pour the reduced sauce over it as you like. Top with chopped green onions or herbs if you like. 今日の料理は豚丼でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.